It's Golden Minecraft Man, and I'm going to show you another redstone tutorial. So yeah, well, it's kind of a redstone tutorial, it's, but I'm not going to get that much into detail after I show you this. Until after I show you this. Call and beef. Never cut the beef, even though I'm in creative mode. Okay. Now, the kitty cat. What? Let me out of here. Oh yeah, I survived. But that's what happened. That's really nice. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to make it. So, yeah. That's pretty much it. So, I'll be back. Hello, it's Golden Minecraft Man. I was gonna show you how to make it, right? So yeah, let's go check out the guts of the machine. So, if you don't get what's happening right now, when you update the water, it's going to spill. But right now, the water's not updated. But when you put the furnace on, when you turn the furnace on, it will update the water, and it will fall down and do that. It will fall down. It will fall down, and you'll have this covered, of course. But it will go down here and break all these, which will turn this redstone torch on and power the redstone. And pretty much it will light the TNT, and the TNT will explode. And I will show you right here what's supposed to happen. For the lag. Yeah, but it would be a better idea if you did this next to a lake or something, because of course they can hear the water unless they have the volume all the way down. So I have that. So I explode over there. So yeah. Yay! I still get my steak though. So if you want to grief your friend's house, then it's used to destroy anyone who's using the actual furnace. Because you can be trolling your friend, or maybe to stop griefers, but it would pretty much grief your house. So let me just show you how to make it. So first we're going to put down a furnace and mine 2 blocks down, and then 1 under the furnace. Now don't put the water right here, put the water under the furnace. Now the water goes down there, and it thinks it's only going down there, but right here it's it's hard to explain. Well, yeah. So when it gets updated, it's gonna fall down. And then let's mine this. So then this torch is powering the redstone, which will turn off the other redstone torch, because when something's powering the redstone torch will turn off like that. Then the redstone won't power when it turns on, if it does that. So you're gonna have to put a block right here and put redstone. Pretty much you're done. That's all. It's that easy. Now, put the TNT down, and let's get out of here. Now, don't put a block here or here. Put it over it. Same with this. Put it over it. So you can put it on a mountainside or something like that, but do not through this block, because in the making, if you end up putting it on that block or that block, then it will light the TNT, and it won't be real good for you. So yeah, it's just you already know what's gonna happen. So yeah, that's another redstone tutorial. Well, kind of a redstone tutorial. Kind of, and yeah, that's pretty much it. And yeah, just say bye. I enjoyed the day. Some fireworks, actually. Firework. Okay, never mind. Okay. Well, I'm just gonna go. So, bye.